Hello, and another warm welcome from Dubai. Now, before I came here, there was a hotel that really caught my eye, and I told myself I'm definitely going to stay there. It is the Sofitel The Obelisk Dubai. Situated in the healthcare city area of Dubai, it is rather distant from the hotels on Sheikh Zayed Road. However, you can easily reach Dubai Mall by the metro station, which is in close proximity of the hotel, as well as a short drive. This hotel surprisingly opened during the pandemic, and it has been a success. The skyscraper shines in gold upon the horizon in the shape of an obelisk. This golden wonder has 51 floors, with the top floor being a club lounge. I decided to stay in the luxury room with club lounge access to the top floor. Let's get right into this tour. As you walk into this grand lobby, you are greeted with a magnificent falcon watching over you, the national bird and pride of the UAE. So you don't check in downstairs with club lounge, you check in upstairs.
Welcome to Club Millésime.
Thank you very much.
And you can just have a look with our fabulous view over here.
Mm-hmm.
Which we do have 360 views here, which is really amazing and
Wow.
fantastic. And it's very relaxed while you are here.
Nice.
This is exclusive for the Club Millésime access only.
Yes.
Yes, and I hope Mr. Ali, you're going to enjoy your stay.
Thank you, I will. So I don't even need to do anything to check in. I literally just sit here, drink is coming to me, juice, and enjoy the view. With check-in now completed, it is now time to go and settle into my room. As soon as you enter this room, you are given a warm vibe with its colours. The interior design suits to bring old and new together, which works very well. This room is big enough to feature a comfortable and spacious lounge area, which boasts a wonderful view of the 22nd floor. Every room in this hotel comes with a view. I did want a higher floor, however, due to the large volume of weddings that take place in this hotel, the wedding guests have priority over the higher floors. This is not to say I did not enjoy the view on this floor, since I chose this room when I first came to see it, and they reserved the exact same room for me. The carpeting was of very good quality. This room has a highly responsive cooling system which I was very impressed with. There is a well-stocked minibar, as well as filtered water in bottles that can be reused. Entering the bathroom, I am taken aback by the size of this giant mirror, as well as the spacious size of the his and her sinks. Behind the door there is a bath, and in the wall there is a clever area to store your toiletries. Next to this is a small shower room. You have again space to store your toiletries or your phone. You get a rainfall shower and an area to sit in. Since we are in a Sofitel, my room features L'Occitane cosmetics, but I've also seen Balmain in other rooms. This room contains a smart television. However, the volume is limited, which can be an issue since this room is big. The main reason for this was because the wall behind the television was not soundproofed. This was a shame, as the whole of the room was soundproofed, apart from that one wall. It's pretty heavy, but this is the whole theme about the hotel. The Egyptian theme. You get all amenities. Do see a dental kit, but that everything is available on request. You also have a speaker in the bathroom that can be controlled from here. However, the volume is too low, to be honest. It's not the best volume. The next morning, I went upstairs for breakfast. They had a wide selection of food, although I believed that there was a wider selection downstairs, and that this was just exclusive. Nevertheless, they had all the items you could want and more. And there was a continental selection with hot food as well as an Arabic selection. The possibilities for breakfast were endless. On your table, there was a QR code you would scan to see the menu for the hot items available, such as an omelette, for instance. These items were made to order in the lounge kitchen by a dedicated chef. This lounge was without any noise or disturbances, and you could actually hear yourself think. What caught my eye was the fact that they had a good selection of honey, as well as an actual honeycomb that you could break off. This is not something you see every day, when you get cute little honey jars in hotels. One of the items on the menu was a signature dish that was available in the club lounge, and I just had to try it. It was the obelisk omelette. It consists of an omelette filled with shredded salmon, covered in hollandaise sauce and topped with fish roe. It just looked wonderful and majestic and tasted out of this world. I had never tried anything like this before, and I say this was the best omelette I've ever had, and I would definitely recommend you to try it also. I was then persuaded to try the French toast. I was never a French toast person, but having this, I now love it. In a single bite, you could taste a wide array of textures, such as the crispiness of the outside and the fluffiness of the inside. The drizzle of sauce on the toast added a pleasant sweetness. I was in a sugar coma, but regardless, it felt amazing. My simple rule is that if a 5-star hotel cannot make you an iced coffee for breakfast, then it is simply not a 5-star hotel. So in the morning we had breakfast in this lounge, and this is the only place where we are. We're not going downstairs to eat breakfast or anything. Everything is in this lounge. There's a really chilled, laid-back lounge with a very good ambience. And from 2 to 4 you can have afternoon tea. And between 6 to 8 you get drinks and food. So you get like a little selection of olives, chicken with potatoes, cold selection basically. And then you can get the hot selection, burgers or cheese pastries, and then this amazing bad boy here. That's a seafood kibbeh. And normally they put mince in kibbeh, but they put seafood in this, and it's just amazing. The next morning I checked the pool out. The pool is unique in the shape of a key, and there are several places to sit around, and you can even rent cabanas. Be advised that in the UAE, not all pools are open till late and timings can change. I then went to check the breakfast downstairs. It was very busy, which is understandable. However, there was ample seating. There is a large variety of food in this breakfast buffet, mainly due to the fact that 97% of it is self-serving. Regardless, I saw items that I did not see in the club lounge breakfast buffet. There were several items that caught my eye, like this savoury filled croissant. I even found English breakfast items such as beans and sausages that I had not seen upstairs in the club lounge. They even had a selection of puree. I finally arrived at the French toast. I tried it and I found it to be very soggy, but it had good flavour. It still would not beat the French toast in the club lounge, due to its presentation and quality. Arriving at the beverage stand, I found that all juices upstairs were better than the ones downstairs. This was just unique. Tomato juice with bacon. I dared not try it. I'm not sure if they could make a nice coffee. For a 5-star hotel, the breakfast downstairs was really good due to its variety and quality. I would definitely recommend it. However, if you require a more intimate or exclusive element to your mornings, you definitely need to check out the club lounge and have breakfast there. I eventually found out that a lot of the items that weren't available upstairs could actually be ordered, and the menu had a larger variety of items and add-ons that were available upon request. The Obelisk Spa is a great place to relax and recuperate. They offer standard access to guests, as well as offering treatments for a charge. The facilities are separated by male and female. Due to its size and the fact that the hotel opened during the pandemic, the policy is that you must book an appointment beforehand, which lasts 30 minutes. You then get the whole area to yourself. The spa features this wonderful jacuzzi I'm sitting in, as well as a sauna and steam room. They also have a state-of-the-art gym facility, which does not require booking. The Obelisk features meeting space as well as a ballroom for larger events. There are 3 restaurants offering European and Asian cuisine, although I did not try them. The hotel is also connected to Wafi Mall, which houses numerous shops and eateries, including a supermarket. My stay at the Obelisk was very special indeed. It is a place that lives in my heart and one that I will definitely come back to when I visit Dubai. The service was beyond incredible, although a lot of it was due to the club lounge who even checked me into my flight online. I definitely recommend this hotel to anyone who wants to experience ancient Egypt in a modern setting. I also recommend the club lounge access. I just wish the spa was bigger, but nonetheless it was relaxing. I'm not a fan of Sofitel hotels as much, especially in Europe, where hotels can be outdated and the service is that of a 4-star hotel with barely any staff to assist. The Obelisk is just a different experience and sets precedent to what a Sofitel hotel should offer its guests. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative. Please like and subscribe for more content.